Hey, this is Michael Lindsay. I'm out here testing the Yoshimura RS-4 exhaust system on the 2019 Suzuki RM-Z250. Now, I was one of the few lucky American journalists to test this bike in Japan. I have a decent amount of time on it, and really it is a big improvement over their prior motorcycle, especially in the engine department. The Suzuki has great low to mid response. It has real great pickup. It's very rev happy, it's very fun to use, but there still are a couple things that could be improved. I was really stoked at where Yoshimura kind of teed up their improvements, being of course with their great relationship with Suzuki. They got early time on this bike to start developing it. Whereas the initial pickup off the bottom, while I said it is responsive, it also has a little bit of a garble stock right off the bottom. It isn't as connected as I'd like. The Yosh almost feels like the bike's been remapped. It must have cleaned up the air to fuel ratio a lot, because right off the bottom it's gotten rid of that garble and delay, and it has a really crisp roll-on that runs you right into that mid-range that is probably the best point of this bike. And then from there, even though the engine has a lot more top end, the Yoshimura RS-4 is really pulled through the top range. It just makes every gear feel a bit longer. The stock Suzuki is a little bit shift happy. With this exhaust, I was just able to spread out each of my gear changes and actually shorten the amount of gear changes I had around the track. The fitment's excellent. They do a lot of R&D on the Suzukis, and it's also a very simple layout, so installation was quick and easy. It's just a standard 3-point system. It has one exhaust spring for the mid to exhaust can. And then, like all of Yoshimura's product, they have a great warranty if there's any defects with it. But if you just go ahead and put enough time on, there's a little bit of wear and tear over the lifespan of using the exhaust system. They have a great refurb program. They can get this thing tuned up, polished up, looking like new and performing like new. And really, the RS-4 to me is a perfect add-on. The RM-Z250 is a bit of a bargain right now, and the first thing I would definitely do is go get an exhaust system. And the RS-4 nails the right improvements in the right places.